Susan, Girl with the Grill, and today we're doing Texas glazed pecans. You know, holidays are underway right now, and everybody's baking cookies and making their gift boxes, and just a very busy season, you know, with shopping. What I love to do is these Texas glazed pecans, and they come out amazing. They're not too sweet like a praline. They are just the perfect amount of sweetness with that cinnamon and vanilla in there. And then what we do is we put them in these little tins about this size. I've got a round one here that's super cute that I send to my adult children in their goodie bags every year. These can be, so 1 pound that I'm doing today will fill 2 of these, or 2 of the mason jars, which you can also decorate with ribbon. They're super cute, they're so delicious, and I can't wait to show you how to do it. Alright, I've got all my ingredients here that I'm making my Texas glazed pecans. This is going into some goodie bags I'm going to ship to friends and family. It's a time of year where you get your cookie boxes. I do pecans because it's so simple and wonderful and delicious, and everybody loves them. So I'm going to teach you how to make those today. Okay, first of all, I've separated an egg white already into my bowl, if you can see that. And I'm just going to whisk until it's frothy. Just like that. Next, I'm going to whisk in 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 4 teaspoons of water. Get all that incorporated into my egg. Egg is used as a binder to make sure my sauce and my glaze goes well on the pecan. Oh, it smells good. I love the smell of vanilla. Okay, so now I'm going to stir in 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 3/4 teaspoon of salt, and we're going to stir that together. As you can see, it's starting to thicken up with the liquid, the water, and the egg and the vanilla. You see that consistency? I want to make sure all the sugar is dissolved into that liquid. And you want a consistency about like that. It's almost like pancake batter. But I could eat this whole bowl, so it's so delicious. I can smell the cinnamon. It's wonderful. Okay, I've got 1 pound of pecan halves here. I'm going to add to my glaze. I'm just going to stir until well coated. I send these to my kids every year in their gift boxes. I always send them chocolate and always like a big container of these glazed pecans, and I don't think it makes it the day. I mean, they're gone. They are so good. They're so yummy. You just want them well coated like this. God, they smell so good. And then I've got a parchment lined jelly roll pan or cookie sheet that I'm going to spread out now. One thing I like about making pecans is that I don't have to stand for hours making cookie dough, although I love baking cookies, but this is like super whipped together. I mean, what did it take me? Less than 10 minutes to do this, and into the oven it goes. Oh, gotta get all of that. Okay. I'm just gonna spread these out. These are gonna go on my pellet grill. I've preheated it at 250 for 1 hour. I'm going to set timers for every 15 minutes. I'm going to stir these. You're not going to believe how awesome they come out. All right, I think we're good. I'm going to pop these on the grill. Meet you there. Okay, I've got my pellet grill. Oh, preheated at 250. I'm going to put it right up here. We're using what else but pecan pellets today. I'm going to put it on the top shelf, and every 15 minutes I'm going to come out, I'm going to stir it, and I'm going to rotate it. And what I love about doing these on the pellet grill, it just adds a little more smoky flavor to the pecans. They're going to be amazing. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes, and we're going to stir this every 15 minutes for 1 hour. It's looking really good. Smells really good already. I'm going to rotate it. I forgot my oven mitts, but that works. Alright. Alright guys, these are my Texas glazed pecans. They just came off the grill. They've been on there for 1 hour. To recap, what I did, it took me like less than 10 minutes to prepare this. With the egg white and the water and the sugar and the cinnamon and the vanilla, a little bit of salt, and then coated them really well, put them on the grill for 1 hour, stirred them for every 15 minutes, and they come out absolutely beautiful. These are super good. These are really super good. Oh my god. So, you're going to love these. So what I'm going to do is prepare them to ship to my kids and my family. And I just took one of these little tins and lined it with tissue paper, saran wrap. Saran wrap will keep it from sticking to the tissue paper. And we're going to just fill this box. Get it ready for shipping. Got rid of these. These are so yummy. Made with love. Send with love. There you go. Perfect. 1 pound will fill 2 of these. Just keep that in mind. This has been a pleasure. This is Sandy, Girl with the Grill. If you like this video, hit subscribe. The subscribe button down below, and hit the bell so you get notified when I have new recipes. But I really appreciate you tuning in. Thank you so much, and have an amazing night.